So welcome to another video, and the topic for today's discussion is what is the fundamental concept of Hatha Yoga, and how are different practices in Hatha Yoga designed to have a better experience of life. The first and foremost thing that I've got to tell you is yogic practices are not designed to have a perfect body or a perfect mind or to cope up with stress. Yogic practices are designed to have the ultimate experience of life. So what are two different ways that you have got in front of you? You can either practice meditation, or in other words, a form of Raja Yoga, where you can use the power of your concentration to slow down your mind. The second best option is to use your body as a tool for perfection. You can do different kinds of asanas, different kinds of pranayama techniques and things like that, so that the energy, the dormant energy in your system will shoot out to give you a liberated state of mind. So these are the two techniques. The first is called Raja Yoga and the second is called Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga in one sense evolved from Raja Yoga over time by the influence of Tantra. In the process, different concepts of Tantra got trickled into Raja Yoga. So what happened was, Raja Yoga, the power of your concentration, stilling down your mind, attaining liberation. Hatha Yoga has another principle in place. It believes in a concept called Kundalini. It's a dormant energy situated at the base of your spine. When evoked, it will uncoil like a serpent and come rushing through the center of your spine and help you attain liberation. This is the fundamental concept of Hatha Yoga. But there's one problem. It's a very potent energy. Once this energy starts rising, it will keep destroying everything on its way. If there are some impurities in your system, that will be a havoc. So the easiest way is to first cleanse your system, prepare your body for that to happen, and then do certain practices that evoke this energy. This is the fundamental concept of Hatha Yoga. It might sound too complicated, but almost all Hatha Yogic practices are designed either to prepare your body, or to cleanse your system, or to purify your nadis. I'll tell you what a nadi is. Nadi is a channel just like blood vessel through which your energy flows, prana flows. Prana is distributed throughout your system, but it's believed that the potent energy Kundalini, which is so potent, is located at the base of your spine, gets unleashed when you're prepared enough. That will lead you to liberation. So this is the concept of Hatha Yoga. When you start reading classic Hatha Yoga textbooks like Hatha Yoga Pradipika, you will come to this understanding only through the end of the chapter. There's one word of caution, however, there are so many schools or organizations that cheat people by promising them to give a Hatha Yoga Kundalini liberation in a week or a month. It's designed in such a way that people extract money in the name of Kundalini. So that's all for now. Thanks a lot.